Hello guys, good morning. Nice to see you back again. Ang inyong lingkod, Chief Engineer Pitik TV. So in this video, tuturo ko po sa inyo kung paano kumuha ng daily fuel consumption ng ating makina. So guys, natandaan nyo ba yung last nating computation kung paano kumuha ng TCD, Temperature Corrected Density? Yung result doon, gagamitin natin at apply natin kung paano kumuha ng daily fuel consumption. Guys, tandaan, napaka-basic lang po ito. Sana tutukan nyo ito. Okay guys, samahan nyo ako. Let's go!
Okay guys, we will calculate how to compute the fuel consumption of the main engine and generator engine. So guys, para di kayo mahirapan maglagay ng kilometers, so much better gagawa kayo ng table na kagaya nito. At dito ilagay yung previous kilometer, present kilometer, and total kilometer. So example guys, ang common kilometer natin ng previous is 841170. Generator engine in the previous kilometer 5474200, and also the generator engine out previous kilometer 4274500. So next guys, the common kilometer present is 845010. Next is generator engine in present 547530, and the last is generator engine out 4275400. So guys, kukunin natin yung total kilometer sa common kilometer. Madali lang guys, present minus previous. So 845010 minus 841170 equals 38400. Next is generator engine 547530 minus 5474200 equals 1100. Last is generator engine out 4275400 minus 4274500 equals 900. So ngayon guys, compute natin yung consumption sa generator engine in metric tons. So the formula is generator engine equals in minus out equals, so yung in natin sa generator engine in total is 1100 and generator engine out is 900 equals 200 liters. So since liters pa ito guys, computein muna natin to in cubic meter, ika-convert natin. So madali lang, divide by 1000. So guys, alam nyo kung bakit 1000? Dahil 1000 liters equivalent to 1 cubic meter. That's why we put 1000 liter. So ngayon, ang sagot guys is 0.2 cubic meter. So since cubic meter pa ito guys, i-compute natin to in metric tons. Madali lang guys, i-multiply natin to sa 0.8797. Alam nyo ba guys kung saan to kinukuha? Natandaan nyo ba guys, nung unang video natin, kinukompute natin yung temperature correction density or TCD. So ito na yun guys. So guys, equals 0.18 metric tons. So next guys, compute natin yung main engine consumption. So the formula is common kilometer minus generator engine equals, so ang common kilometer natin in liters is 3840 minus 200 liters. So dito yun kinukuha natin sa in minus out in liters equals 3640 liters. So since liters pa ito guys, i-convert natin into cubic meter. So divide 1000 equals 3.64 cubic meter. So i-compute natin uli or i-convert natin to sa in metric tons. So multiplied by 0.8797. This is the temperature corrected density guys. So guys, ang sagot equals 3.20 metric tons. So ito yung consumption natin ng main engine guys. So guys, yung kumpanya nagtanong kung ilan yung total consumption natin ng main engine at saka generator engine. So ito yung formula guys. Total consumption equals main engine plus generator engine equals 3.20 plus 0.18 equals 3.38 metric tons. So ito yung total fuel consumption natin guys ng main engine at saka generator engine. Okay guys, thank you very much.
Oh, di ba guys? Napaka-basic lang at napaka-madali. Sana guys, may natutunan kayo guys sa ating computation ngayon. Lalo na sa ating mga estudyante, mga newly graduate, at lalo na sa mga ratings na balak kumuha ng exam para maging engineer on board. So guys, in next video, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano kumuha ng RPM or revolution per minute ng ating makina at saka engine distance. Thank you guys and God bless.